Alright, so I just had to go get the blood. Damn, the blood pumping and shit. Uh, Still on this shit. Same scrap from the previous 2 days. If I had to say, looking like Price wanted to make made another lower high. So low, lower high, another low. We just gotta see. This Amazon. Q's. Still, still seeing um no entry just yet. Nothing loaded.
I want to focus on the coolness, I guess, of the S&P 500 right now because you're looking at it, erased so much of last year's gains. Certainly everything we've seen since the election, but we're back to levels we've seen in April and even January of last year. So a lot of pain borne by investors so far. You were talking about hedging strategies. I've seen investors take moments of calm in the market to actually load up on hedges. Would you do that at this point in time? Try to buy puts while they're cheap?
So what we see working really well, and you've reported on this, Katie, are around ETFs that offer systematic ways to hedge some of the downside. They sell some calls, so give up some upside, but they also buy some puts that are able to hedge on a quarterly basis some of the downside. Now, the strategies we feel with particular conviction can work here are not ones that are trying to time the market with selling calls, buying puts. Just systematic, quarter by quarter, giving up some upside to protect some downside. And that's a way to play defense, but also offense, because we will live, the market will price all this in, and it eventually will rebound. So that's a way to have kind of a best of both worlds approach.
I'm going to say the ticker. It's Jeppy. Of course, it's puts out a Truth Social.
So I'm guessing Price want to Price want to keep going high. I do want to load these contracts to be able to get into. I'm loading. I just got to see that 500 level get cleared, maybe. Damn, they want some. Oh, wrong side anyway.
Since 2021, since COVID, because everyone front-run this. Interesting that companies managed to front-run it from an inventory perspective. The market did not.
I'm just gonna load this. Look, wait.
Thank you so very much. That is Bloomberg Technology co-host Caroline. Hi. And coming up, pharma is on the firing line.
Load this look.
President Trump says a major tariff is coming to the sector soon.
We'll do 505.
Up next. This is Bloomberg Open Interest.
I just got one con loaded. Let me click on it. Look at the Qs. I guess it was gonna do that.
What makes it
I'm gonna get Phil right now.
It's as women to transform
Got one con.
I truly feel that the time for Indian women
I'm just believing in myself right now. Just based off this setup, this up move,
whether it is in
down, up,
whether it's in
just
medicine,
believing.
whether it's in creative art, they are everywhere, and I have so much positive energy that comes back to me when I'm talking to Indian women, and I just think at all these little girls and boys, I don't want to discriminate, who are now in school going age. Imagine once education,
I'm probably just gonna get like a little 10%. I am gonna hold a contract to 20% today.
to the planet and
Um,
and the world needs it now than ever before.
But yeah, this is a strong support. If I had to say, I probably just should have waited just a little longer to get down.
Get the inside track on what's buzzing in markets.
With the players who are shaping the narrative. If you have bad earnings reports, you're going to get punished.
They're not buying what the industry is selling.
Join us on Bloomberg Open Interest every trading day, only on Bloomberg.
Bringing you up-to-the-minute financial news whenever and wherever it happens. I'm Michael McKee at the Federal Reserve. This is Bloomberg.
Middle East and Africa.
So let's see, the price may be going a little lower to come back up crazy.
Join me on Horizons Middle East and Africa for the stories, newsmakers, and insight from this exciting region. Now weekdays, only on Bloomberg.
From the beating heart of global finance, economics, and politics, and wherever newsmakers are moving markets, Bloomberg brings you conversations that allow for deep discussions and important insights. What do you think the future is for inflation? Is this new normal?
Apple look like the one maybe to get jumped in right now, or the one to jump in, just based off you can buy it real low, but you still gotta see.
All right, welcome back to Open Interest. To check on these markets right now, we have a rally on our hands for now. The S&P 500 up about 0.9%. Big tech leading the way. The Nasdaq 100 up about 1.5%. The Russell 2000 also getting in on the action. I will say we're coming off of 4 straight days with a trading range of 5% for the S&P 500. So we'll have to see how this one settles out. But it's time now for our top calls.
Still waiting, not getting emotional or nothing.
This morning, and first up, we have Apple actually getting upgraded over at Jefferies after its significant drop, with the analysts cutting this price target though, thanks to those tariff risks. Next, Bath and Body Works getting upgraded as well to a buy over at
Down like
Verizon.
20% right now,
Says that the business
so I
is
probably will
well
be looking.
insulated
What's the
from
name?
macro pressures relative to its peers. And finally, we have Ford getting downgraded to a sell over at Bernstein on those tariff risks. The analyst says that significant downside for the stock is actually not yet priced in, even though we've seen quite a white
Down 23. So this is scraping on what's the name?
Trump says that levies on pharmaceutical drugs are coming next.
We're going to tariff our pharmaceuticals, and once we do that, they're going to come rushing back into
Out 26%. So that was a bad loss.
over everybody.
6% more than what I was intending, but it was all good. I'm finna get back in.
We're joined now by Sam Fazeli of Bloomberg Intelligence. And Sam, unpack this for us. Do you feel that tariffs will do anything to shift a very globally integrated supply chain back to the United States?
They might at some point, but just like everything else that we've talked about, I'm just listening to Caroline talk about Apple. Not only would push prices up and costs up, but also it would be a while before you can do that, especially for the more complicated drugs that require a big manufacturing suite and then maybe the devices to go with them, like the Zepbound injectors. So it would take time.
One place that I'm particularly concerned about, Sam, is not just big pharma and the new big fancy expensive drugs. I'm wondering what the impact to generics will be when many of them are made abroad.
Yeah, so interesting, because you can read some of that questions or answers to your question in the US trade data, which I've just been looking at. So Mexico accounts for 33% of pharmaceutical imports into the US.
Exposure and the gem height is will be
But for 1% by
maybe
value.
percentage
That tells you
But
those
here,
are the
the whole
cheaper
numbers.
active ingredient type products that are coming in.
Watching for a
So
reclaim
Mexico's
of
already
SPX,
obviously
SPX
on top
5000
of
furniture.
pharmaceuticals
So,
and as soon as that
Yeah, looking at that, I probably got in a little early, but
where those
oh
cheaper
well.
generics where a lot
Trust
of
me, I'm
people rely on,
gonna get it back.
and that's how you get drug prices down, are going to be the ones
back up
that are
10% plus here.
Sam, I want to ask, as usual, a broader question of you about the future of
Gloves are pretty close, so
pharma.
let's see what the place are.
These companies can't charge us, they charge us the highest prices in the world. If they can't get that revenue, and if we're cutting off grants to Ivy League, to the best universities in the world, what does that mean for the development of drugs to beat diseases?
Well, so Matt, you've just been reading my mind, I think, which is your special power, right? No, look, on the one hand, President Trump's
So
tariff
nah,
impact.
I thought the candle wick
Which is
was gonna
coming,
do it
is the biggest
for it to
quite
come down and go up, but
pharmaceutical market
looking
in the
like
world.
price is gonna do it
On the other
for it to
hand,
come down and go up.
it's
So we
causing a
just I'm still
dispute.
gonna have to
They're
see.
trying to curtail ability to price these drugs. And as we just saw, they didn't want to cover obesity drugs through Medicare, which is not a massive thing, but it's an example, right? And if you bring in the possibility that you're going to create what's called favored nation in the United States, then suddenly that argument disappears. So what's the point of bringing everything back to the US if you become a country like everybody else? And on top of that, what you just said, this issue with allowing science to follow what it needs to do without cutting and without putting pressure on the types of research they do, that's one of the other problems.
All right, Sam, always great to get your
Level 4
perspective.
line,
That is
back
Sam
up 10%
Fazeli
here.
of Bloomberg Intelligence talking us through upcoming potential tariffs on the pharmaceutical sector. You can see healthcare as a sector is still pretty deeply in the red, down 1.5%, even as you see the S&P 500 try to rebound. Coming up next, we'll take a look at the bond market because long-term yields soaring worldwide, with investors worrying
Thank
about
you.
President Trump's tariff impact. We'll talk all things Treasuries next. This is Open Interest.
Here.
ES is holding 5,000, Mike. This is the 5,000 level.
Yeah, looks good.
Get your fixed income fix. Watch Bloomberg Real Yield around the world right here on Bloomberg. Context changes
I could
everything.
use a 5,000 ES entry to be about 596 stop loss.
I just got full on started at 2.47.
I like that.
Yeah, I'm also getting filled on spot. That's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to do exactly what you said.
I like
That's
that.
up 20% here, guys.
I'm filled at 2.5.
I want to get filled even lower. I can't even count.
From business, markets,
It's
economics,
all good. I'm
and
gonna make that money back.
Each week, we'll go on the road for a look at what lies behind the headlines of today.
496 stop
What
loss.
will likely be the headlines tomorrow.
You can predict this. I think that's the trend, guys. I think we nailed this.
Done nothing
Yep.
but grow immensely. To me, that's an extraordinary sign.
We can be the change that we want to see.
Watch the all-new Wall Street Week. More than what you need to know, it's what you need to think about.
It's a multi-trillion
Please
dollar
take from
industry.
22%
We'll show
here.
you what's happening in ETFs like no one else. ETF IQ, only on Bloomberg.
The decision point here.
This is Bloomberg Open Interest. Quick check on what's going on in these markets. And you need to look every couple of minutes because of the volatility. We are now up on the S&P 500 about a half
So I'm just
percent.
gonna stay patient. The 15.
On the NASDAQ. So tech
Damn it.
stocks
Nah, I
leading
thought it
their way
closed
higher.
above.
Let's get a look at some of those tech stocks.
Anyway.
Nvidia right now up 3%. Apple up 3%. These are the two biggest companies in the world by market cap. So obviously when they rise, they pull the indexes with them. Tesla gaining a little bit today if you're long that. Pfizer is down. We were just talking about pharma. Walmart says it's going to stick to its guidance even with tariffs, and it's getting a 3.5% boost. ExxonMobil down 2%. The interesting thing here, I think, is yields. The U.S. 10-year at 4.35. The 2-year back up at 3.77.
500 now.
Continue, Shanali, to see a
That's
sell-off
15%
in
on taking
bonds,
trims.
the likes of which we haven't seen since the pandemic.
Certainly
That's 500. I took trims as well. I'm up 12%.
12. I just took
There you go,
trim at 12.
17%.
498 stop loss now. Let's reclaim 500. Reclaim 500. We're gonna rip.
Long-term yield soaring worldwide. The yield on the 30-year
Damn,
Treasury briefly
bro, I should have got out the money, bro.
Yeah, 498 is that's fixed 5,000. You can
I
hold
really
that.
want to
You
get
good?
in.
Yeah.
I may want to get in.
But take trims. Take at least half off. These are 0 days, guys.
This is worries about future demand, but there are long-term issues, long fiscal
500 has to hold here. This is a very big inflection point.
I think we push it. There you go.
Yeah.
Oh,
I had to take trims. I don't give a fuck.
22%. I trimmed more at 22%.
Yeah, so I think all of this is
Put up
Thank
$100
you.
a contract,
positioning
guys.
of different products. So
I'm taking more off at 18% as well.
in the market, if you go back and
Nice.
look at what we
502
Taking
next.
31% here guys.
that we received last Friday, it shows that
You guys know that was the risk.
long treasury
We barely saw that.
hedge funds are very short treasury futures.
348 is our
Because
risk.
those hedge funds are
Okay.
very short treasury futures, they need to hedge that by buying treasuries outright. And then so there's just if there's an unwind of just a little bit of that, you wind up seeing a massive amounts of volatility. Some of this is fundamental, but obviously the proximate cause
You really want to see
is,
500 hold on SPY.
fear that foreign
Yeah,
investors
498.50 is my trail.
treasuries, and because of that, we've
98.50.
seen this pretty
Basic
decent
discount
thing.
of spread.
Mine's gonna be 499.
It's not a
Just to
huge
keep things
surprise
tight.
because all the financial regulations that we've created to make all the banks and dealers safe
I think
and
if we
sound
break highs, these contracts will go crazy.
liquidity because they can't
502 breaks will be up like 40% plus.
So everything that
Yeah, I'm up 25% here.
in this couple of day period.
Right, a good point there. A lot of this comes down to positioning, not just unwinding of
362 is the
trade,
breakout level on my
potentially
watch list guys. So
unwinding of
there will
long
be some
positions when it
resistance
comes to
there.
asset managers as well. I want
If
to talk a little
if
bit
we
about
break that, we
demand
have like
and
350 or
sentiment and how
$4.
much it depends on
Go
what we
above.
learn today. Because we had an
If this
auction
reclaims if this holds above 500 here,
did not go
next 15
I
seconds,
really want to get
this
back
would be
in.
a
I'm
long
gonna do
trigger. So this might
500
chase.
period.
Good for us.
Well, I did 505. I did out of money.
8 seconds.
I just probably should have did more contracts.
so
I'm
you
trying to
can do
stay
it.
within my
Yep. That's
Yeah,
risk
30.
management.
Yeah, well,
Really
I think
good.
that
They
since
trust
we've
me.
cheapened a little bit, I think one of the reasons we've seen some of the volatility
Y'all niggas don't even know.
is actually dealers making room because they knew that they did get a lot of 3-year notes, and now there's more risk out there, right? So 10-year notes have more or less 3 times the risk that 3-year notes do. So they're worried that maybe they'll
You get
have
some type of push
downside
above.
this auction, and more importantly, tomorrow's 30-year auction, right? I think that's so between the 2 days, you're talking about a lot of market risk that's coming in, coming into the market. So dealers are making room, and that's another reason to think that they're only going to be buyers and intermediate this market at cheaper levels. So that means higher
499.50.
yields, lower prices.
Yeah, I probably just should have waited. I could have took. I could have took
Okay, I'm
trims.
moving my drives up to 360.
My shit
Not
said
done
8, but I
yet.
still could have took trims right here.
Still up
I could
30%.
have got back in right here
Like
and
502.
smacked him upside his head both times.
It's a good
But
hold.
it's all good.
500 there.
Yeah.
The next candle can do it.
The end of the basis trade, but I still can't quite wrap my head around it.
Let me do this quickly for you. So basically, you have treasuries being bought on the short end by hedge funds, which is why
Everyone should be nicely green though from SPY and Microsoft.
and they arbitrage the difference that they
Look at the video, making the
I really need to
uprise.
trigger entry on this mic.
I was looking at the video,
You can just use it.
but I
right,
got my eyes
stuff.
still on SPY. I'm still just gonna go with
Yeah.
SPY.
Yeah, a lot of people
Follow
probably
the
choose SPY
momentum.
over 500, but
Feel me? Momentum
SPX
calls
and
right
gas
now.
are good watches.
if these markets were to get much more interrupted, let's say.
Well, I think we're pretty close to that point.
Hopefully it
where
come
the
down a
Feds
little
are
bit so I can get a better
about
feel.
doing
Basically
what
just gonna
does
use that 499 as a
and
stop
its
loss there.
primary function as lender of last resort. And I'm not saying that they should go out and buy
As long as
treasuries,
they're holding that,
but
we're good.
they created this thing called the
I wonder how
standard
0 days
repo
moved.
facility. But the problem is it
Or
doesn't
sorry,
work
Monday.
as intended.
1 days
Its
moved.
design has
Oh.
flaws that don't make it the funding
Probably
backstop
not
for the
much.
treasury market.
Because I was gonna take 1 days instead,
that
but
people
I
thought
tried
that
2
it would
days.
be.
You can't with this
They
IV.
need to just do regular, everyday, temporary open
Just don't
market
move.
operations, repo operations, similar to what they did prior to 2008, where they were in the market every day, either doing repos or reverse repos, to
502.
basically meet reserve requirements and demands. And I think we're at that point. The other thing that this shows you, and I think that the market volatility highlights, is that we're very close to that lowest comfortable
Yeah,
level of
okay.
reserves, and that the Fed
Come on,
at some
baby.
point in the near future is probably going to
Contract's actually not moving that well anymore.
yeah, it'll probably
No.
still run off
Yeah,
more
but it's
because
crazy. Look at our 20% now. I should be up a lot more.
All right, Ira,
Wrong,
great to have you on the
wrong
program.
fucking
Thanks so much
shit.
for joining us out of Jersey.
But I think we break 502, Mike.
Intelligence.
502,
Coming up
the
next hour,
contract should
Paul
go.
Smead joins us, as well as the CEO of Air France and the CEO
I want to get in and I want to get out just so I can
is open interest.
get right back in for it to catch for it like rolling down. You feel me? But it's still looking like The Bulls are in control. I mean, this candle did close above this level in this zone, but I'm still just gonna stay a little more patient because price is going to average is going to 2.8, back up to fucking 300. And we got news in approximately like 32 minutes or some shit, 33 minutes. I like this setup, bro. I can't cap. I'm gonna get in too. I'm gonna get in. I like this setup.
2015, I was not optimistic because nobody was working on the hard problems. The energy R&D budgets had gone down.
Still holding.
The venture investing
Average
completely
2.7.
So I don't know what people are optimistic about then. The fact is we built essentially from scratch, with lots of supporters.
360 holding.
Really mind-blowing level of
Slightly under 20% on these runners now.
and in the last 9 years, that's gone better than I would have expected. So only now could you even,
I wonder if this shit can flip and go crazy.
optimistic about the path of the mix.
That's like the best possible candle they could have given us. Just has to have a shot out to now.
The morning IB. That was the first.
Alright, price ain't going nowhere.
Those new ideas, how do we get
Yeah, this wick low messed up on runners.
on a global basis? So
Wick
it's,
low.
we're still not at the
Still up 20% less on runners, guys. The 362, if they break it, they could be a squeeze.
but at least there's a theory of
It's just such a tough spot right now. So
Which wick?
holding and level, following level. There's
You
already
said
stop
this
loss to
week,
32%, so
must be this.
just need a push. And this will explore, maybe even double.
Biggest newsmakers on the day's top stories.
I can, bro. Am I not clicking on that shit, bro?
Bloomberg loves earnings.
I know it's like your Super Bowl, right?
I can't wait. It's like opening presents in the morning.
All right, it will be
We are on the right name. There's one of the stronger names.
Earnings like Bloomberg.
Here we go. Come on.
10 o'clock candle. There's no data though.
Come on.
There's crude oil inventories. Oh, okay.
Come on.
I thought so.
Back 30% plus.
15. I mean 5. I'm tweaking. 15 eventually. Hold on. Shit just gotta rise.
On break 502. If I get towards 502, it'd probably go to 505.
But it did make a little incision in the price going up. So that make it even better.
Okay. Back up 25% here.
20%. I mean 10%. Goddamn.
What a scam with these contracts. Holy shit.
30%, 32%.
Alright, I'm taking more trims than 25%.
20% right there.
20.55%. Out here
20.55%.
at 40%.
And the EU retaliated. And JP Morgan Chase CEO Jamie Dimon weighed in.
Damn, that was contracts went
Moving my trend stuff at
3.44 and I sold.
China, which was hit with 104% American tariffs.
Said I was gonna hold a contract to 20% today. I did it going both sides. You feel me?
They'll stop.
Tariffs too.
50.
Industry spokesman Andrew Herrig.
Actually, I'm just gonna keep it at 502.
Expect to see increases
Here it
in
is.
food prices first.
Fresh product because you can't build up inventory.
Good push so far though.
See something right fast.
Beauty.
Damn, yeah, I didn't even show y'all, but
Made money today.
damn, I ain't even show y'all boys, but yeah, y'all can't see now.
Be cool. This is a great time to buy. Still no definitive word on cause after at least 113 people were killed when a roof collapsed at a nightclub in the Dominican Republic. Correspondent Christian Benavides is in Santo Domingo.
Rescuers have spent hours searching for
the next real level that's left is 510. We're at that 34-hour leading in here.
Was beloved Dominican merengue singer Ruby Paris.
who was performing on
Level
stage
3 was
when
my
the roof
favorite for the
collapsed.
decades.
Former Major League Baseball's Octavio Dotel and Tony Blanco were also killed.
It's a
Police
plan.
in Virginia say all suspects are in
I'm getting ready
custody
to pull
after
south.
3
Leave news
people
back
were shot
under
to death in a
50150.
shooting at a townhouse
I full
complex
sold
in
My
my
nigga,
stock
what
downtown
the
at them all out.
fuck, bro?
They say there is
Bro,
Yeah, I'm using
why do they
502.
even put them niggas up
I'm
there,
happy with
bro?
40.
He talking about a nigga
Not
like,
gonna
bro.
run
I don't give a fuck about none of that
Hold
shit.
on a minute.
Long live all them boys, but goddamn, my nigga.
A judge in Virginia
Follow.
Beach,
You guys can
Virginia
hold
said
on
it
if
was,
you want
quote,
360 or
appalling that
360.
a
That's a
school
whole different
suspected
type of news.
sixth-grade student for waiting to report that another student had brought a bullet to class. The judge ruled in favor of the child's mother after
But red
she
stone,
sued
the open.
St. John the
Yeah.
Apostle Catholic School for breaching its contract with her when administrators suspended her son for a day and a half last September.
Among this year's
Mike, I
additions
recorded
to
our
the
spy trade.
Library of Congress National
Good.
Recording Registries. Debut albums from Chicago and Tracy Chapman, a Roy Rogers and Dale Evans song is on the list too. And the oldest entry among them,
Ominous here.
the Hawaiian
Come on, hold
Quintet's
502.
Long as it holds 502, it can go higher.
1913.
There you go.
Dow is up 191. This is CBS News.
I'm fully out. I just took profit, 35%.
I'm looking for the slide back down. I can't cap. I cannot.
I got myself.
I just gotta put like a couple more zones on QQQ. This might be a good zone.
Right, I'm fully out too.
Nice, and I put the wrong one.
Good trade. Good trades. Both were green. Nicely green.
Really good start to the day.
My nigga Mike's in the deal. What Brett talking about?
Really good sells on SPY too. Look at that, Mike. Perfectly sold.
Yeah.
First projection of 500 actually worked well. Could have been played both sides today. First time rejection, second time breakout.
44 page report by Teneo Risk finds
Just looks strong off the open.
vulnerable to terror attacks, particularly vehicle versus pedestrian attacks, like the one that killed 14.
This shit not gonna fucking go up all day, bro. I need this shit to come back down. I don't know, bro. I was sleepy. I took a trade. Now I got energy. I don't know.
Better communication between agencies that it says was lacking even during the recent Super Bowl.
But it's all good. I'm sorry for not switching my screen because I know I need to look at it myself, but it's all good. Just no cap in my rap, for real. If I say 10, 15, 20%, I'm out at 26%. You feel me? That shit real. Because I don't make these videos for y'all niggas. I make them for me, for real.
This is Bloomberg Intelligence with Alex Steele and Paul Sweeney.
But SPY look like it's going back down. Let's see what it do. I think data don't come out to like 1040, 1030. Oh shit. I'm putting these niggas on sauce. No, let me start. But anyway. Yeah, 1030.
On Microsoft.
Yeah, that was good.
Just knew they were gonna pull it.
I just broke structure.
I actually got that shot, so I'm kind of happy.
Yeah, so definitely.
Just like it did yesterday.
Zeros are looking.
I wonder if it go back up and like never close above 500.
Yeah, shots are open.
Get in on puts.
Yeah, I'm glad we sold it yet. The calls, they just got absolutely wrecked.
We sold it high day.
One,
Yeah,
two,
you have the solid
3.
0
I'm
days
just looking
when they're moving in your favor.
at the what's the name. It's like a rising wedge. Each one keep going higher. Even this little incision right here. Boom.
Let's kick things off right now on this Wednesday. Mr. John Tucker.
And them little dips is like the best time to buy right there. Boom. Sell. Sell. But what happened right here? I cannot lie. I, it just what the fuck happened? Let me go to the 15 minute. 5 minutes, because that's what I viewed it off of. I seen this, and I still believe this was a good pattern. I mean, I could have sold it right here for maybe 10%, even though that shit said like 8%. I'm pretty sure it's like 10 something. But anyway, I didn't sell. I got out like at 26%, which was a bit too much, a little bit too much. But trust me, I'm nailing that on the head next time. Just go ahead and get out. You feel me? You better getting out than staying in and wishing some shit can go back up for real. Even though it did go back up, I had another chance to get back in. Had more conviction because I seen this candle with Mike. Mike even spotted this shit with me. I really wanted to get filled down. This ain't even 1 minute, but I wanted to get filled like down here somewhere. You feel me? Because I just had a idea that it was gonna go back up. You feel me? So that was the first trade I had lost, but you feel me? It's not losing. It's learning. You feel me? So and then got in somewhere around here when this candle kind of flipped. Sold, got back in right around here. That's why I wish I had like kind of like two contracts. I could sell one right here, hold this one for that, and then sell this one at the top right here, so I can just keep that same entry, you know. But I want to see what this candle do. I wonder if it turned bear, and if it turned bear, shit, we loading puts. Hey, you talking about for real? But I am gonna try to walk away with probably like one more trade, but still just gotta see. Don't know what market wanna do yet. Let's see what they talking about.
Right, this is the 500 failure now on spot. If there's anywhere to look for shorts on a retest, it's probably here too. 500.
See, as soon as I say that, see, look what he talking about.
That's also QQQ 14.
I mean, I must be learning something, right? You feel me?
Back in 5,000. It may just be a retest. They hold it.
Could be. Thing is not over yet.
But I just need a second candle just to show like what it's really doing. The Q's doing looking like it's breaking as well, going all the way down. Just that second candle gonna show you. You feel me? That second candle gonna show you. And I'm talking about really. I'm looking at this, but I'm really looking at this too. This candle gonna show you what price really want to do, and then you're gonna have another candle that's gonna show you about the 15 minute. You feel me? You feel me? Just be patient, wait for these shits to close. Cause I was thugging off the 5 minute just then. You feel me? Just gonna see, cause it can be. I don't know.
They could still form a lower high here though.
They take the high squeeze. Simple. So lose it 493. And they're holding it. Yeah.
See that? It candle just flipped.
There's still a time for
SPX 5,000.
Careful guys, careful. See the big scenario here.
This is a low high scenario too. If we break under, if we hold under 500. That's the pivot though. It's literally lining up perfectly. SPY 500 and QQQ 422.
Hold on now.
Still holding. Very good chance they take the high.
No, that's not nothing.
So
thought I seen
the
something.
combination of the deal and the combination of obviously what's coming out of the
It's
White
gonna
House is
set
I
up the
mean,
really
side of
kinda.
the
companies. We have
It's like a.
a lot
Yeah,
of
I don't
measures
know anything right here.
to promote electricity made
Uh,
from coal. So that's clearly boosting the company, and it's one of the biggest winners today. We're yet to see if that holds because obviously everything's volatile, but that's
She gotta
definitely one
close the
name we're
bar.
looking at.
Alex, what did you make of the
Apple,
president's
like,
statement
is
for
find the
yesterday?
levels
Do I
where
think
all
Apple
this shit on the
fails?
level.
I
Yeah, hell
personally
yeah. This
would
some
think
type
yes,
of
but
support.
let's see.
Substance is for export.
As long as 500 fails, I think shorts are
Well,
valid.
it seemed to say that it was for AI demand. In
Just
order
buy
to meet
500
that,
and
that's
keep
why it
it.
was
look
sort
like
of energy
it's
security.
so
But at the end of the day, guys, it's economics.
Yeah.
If it
unless most
economically
techs
makes
very
sense to build
strong.
a coal plant, they will build it. If it makes
They gotta
economic
like
sense
fail
to
it. If
keep
they
it running,
fail,
they will keep it running. Now, coal is
still see
below natural gas.
Bro, I just
one
want to
side
short
now.
this shit coming down, bro. Like,
On a longer term basis,
Billions of
I
dollars
feel
are
me,
going
bro.
to
Please
powerhouse.
close the fucking bull, bro. 17 minutes.
We also haven't had a pen day. Most of these days have been crazy volatility, so.
It's gonna be hard to have a pin day with this security.
If we lose 498 now, I think short.
Pin day, is he
the short
referring
stop
to a
at
pin bar?
496 too.
I don't know.
Okay.
What is a pin day?
I'm happy now. I got a little bit of that short. Oh, off of 500.
Yeah,
500.
shit flipping
But
back now.
again, it's like nothing until we lose 498.
This is a, what, is this a
Yeah.
company now?
Big time contract.
Going to one of
Yeah,
my favorite
that's
companies.
literally.
It's an egg producer
I was down
that
like
reported third
20%.
quarter earnings that missed consensus.
Now I'm up
But
10%.
most importantly, we're hearing about
But under 498 is where I think things will begin to actually free flow.
causes behind the increase in egg prices.
Oh, so he must be in puts.
Yo.
I'm gonna load my puts right now. We doing.
But the shares dropped earlier.
Fuck, we doing 480 put.
Obviously now things are so volatile on micro level that a lot of that drop was erased. But for sure, that's a very
No, that's too
No, they're
crazy.
bidding it. Very interesting to see what all this is.
It looks like they're holding it.
They're holding it. This is the kind of area that you want to see just like them stop and out, but they're not. So maybe even if they go $1, $2 lower, they could rip it back up. And maybe we'll see.
I just want to move up 196.
Name to watch. That's
This is a good chance. Let's see.
scoring small losses today compared to what we saw in pre-market trade.
I'm gonna take some off.
All right, thanks so much. We really appreciate Denise.
Once it go back up, and then never, if it never closes back up, I'm gonna get back in.
How are the banners?
I'm just trying to see
Not well, bro.
do I want to get in it. Do I want to just get one
Yeah,
coin?
that's fine.
Yeah, I'm gonna just get one coin. It wouldn't make no sense for me to get like two. Feel me? I done already been down that route. It's better to be like close at the money and just drop more in the contract than getting like two cons or some shit.
Erica, I actually did say, I said this is the spot you want short.
Bro, I don't know why I
There's
haven't
anywhere
clicked
to
on
watch.
what's the name
I said
yet. Hold on,
watch
okay,
the
cool.
500.
Price is at 497. 497. I wanted it to go down, so I wanted to go down to like
Guys, I'm going to reload Microsoft, guys.
490. We're 490.
What is it? 370.
I'm gonna just add 490.
See if they hold this. They reclaimed 5,000 here on SPX. It might go to 512.
So let's see what it does right now. What it do, what it does, what it was. Spa looks Spa look like. Oh, no, I ain't gonna lie. Spa look like we want to go up and come back down. Hopefully, looking at chart lows at 206. I mean 203.
I don't know what's gonna happen anymore. I don't have a position.
Shit, don't worry about it. Leave it a little meat.
So, Endo, is there a sense here? Was this retaliation by China?
So we got two red candles.
4763. I don't have a position anymore. My stop is not. I don't
Like
have
a
a
retest
my
of
stop
this candle right
is
here.
500.
On how the wick
That
is
could be
and
when I
how
was
it
calling,
goes.
so I honestly have no idea what's gonna happen here. We could hold.
Now I'm flipping.
Let me see something right fast. Off the hourly.
The more they give stability to this, the more long.
Yeah, we could. We could possibly hold. This is like
After
a.
holding the good next couple. Microsoft over the contract. Yeah, it's $4. But
It's a hammer. If this is a hammer, this is a long wick ass hammer. Cannot count.
Contracts a little bit down.
A big tool here.
13 minutes for this shit. And 12 minutes for this shit. So I'm gonna just be patient. I'm gonna turn this shit back on. Give me like 2 seconds. So probably do it like he's just messing around. I'll
The
do that.
moment I see this candle like flip, that's when they start attacking. Otherwise, the posts are very much. I doubt that.
This getting closer to 5,000. It's a good sign for longs.
Where people are conditioned to think that everything just calling everything a safe bomb, but not.
Ooh.
What are you watching? Rather watching Microsoft?
Watching Fight Air, you know. Microsoft still my original level, everything has never been good. But I want to see what happens. No positions so
Oh, this shit reclaim.
we can chase it and
I don't want to reclaim though. It really don't. It really don't matter. But what I was thinking is below 500.
see how this plays out. 4 minutes to candle close. Okay. 45 minutes on the green, that's fine. Price discovery and stability in this area. So either side it breaks. Volatility.
Still dancing with 5,000 here.
It should not be in the top.
Yeah.
My theory is they just keep us between 496 and 502 all day.
They can't do it all day because they don't have enough volume in this area.
At least like 12 or 1 maybe. Let's see.
Oh.
Look at the IV on SPY now. They're beginning to decay quite a bit. 20%.
Be very careful, guys. Very tempted to go long. But we'll stay put until confirmation.
Niggas talking about already leaked. Yo. By the time y'all niggas see this shit, I'm gonna be already, man. Shit's gonna be so crazy. Anyway. Shit already so crazy. Anyway.
It's up 3.6%. Tesla shares up 4.2%. Apple shares 3.1% higher. Just parenthetically, Apple was replaced by
Damn.
in terms of the members of the S&P 500 with the greatest weighting. So Microsoft back to number 1. The trade war intensifying, of course. President Trump's sweeping tariffs taking effect, including 100% China levy. This morning, China responded with an 84% tariff on U.S. goods. Also, the
Oh man, they reclaimed 5,000 again here in Michael's.
Tariffs on $23 billion of U.S.
Probably thanks so much.
Shares of drug makers under pressure, with the president promising to announce major tariffs on pharmaceuticals. In his words, very
That's a $4
soon.
candle. I mean, that's actually
New
insane.
York-based Pfizer down 3%.
Damn.
Now, Treasuries plunged Wednesday. That would be today. Paul.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Just to clarify.
Nah, looking back at it, shit look like she wanna be bull.
Yield rose to its highest level since February.
Look at QQQ.
Actually, you just went short there.
Right now, PX1.
You know, people are doing that, or they're just
It'd be crazy.
Imagine you're like, oh, I see SPY under 498. I'm gonna go short.
See, that's why you need another candle, bro. You just can't go short.
Disney announcing half price tickets for kids 3 to 9 this summer. This is actually a first for Disney.
Yeah.
Hotel guests
Be
get
careful,
free
guys.
tickets to one of the company's 2 water parks.
One mistake is all it takes. You keep averaging down on the wrong move, hoping, and
4 days or more in certain ticket
for weeks,
packages.
months, days worth of profit.
Also
Doesn't
be
matter.
able to eat for free at the
Be gracious in your losses.
It sounds like
Oh yeah.
ad here, but
can be right 95% time. One time you're wrong, you get popped.
Is that what it is? Okay, but that's
they
huge.
never do this.
Well,
never.
yeah, first ever.
So this is competition from this expanding universal thing. I think they're like doubling.
No,
the
nigga,
size
I ain't
of
asking all that profit chain
this
shit.
opening in March.
I don't know where the IV at on the what's the name or just I don't know.
So, anywho, John Tucker, thank you so much. We appreciate that. Alex Steele, Paul Sweeney, live here in our Bloomberg Interactive Broker Studio. We are streaming live on YouTube as well. So head over to youtube.com and search Bloomberg Podcast.
I'm gonna just like carry fuck around. Shit,
Market.
bird gone.
10-year Treasury. That's kind of proxy for kind of the mortgage market, I think. Boy, we were back at 5% just in January. Then the rates came down pretty substantially. Got down to 4.4%. I started doing the refinance calculations. Boom, we're right back to 4.8%. So I missed my like 3-second window there. Erica Edelberg, she does this stuff for a living. Chief mortgage-backed securities strategist for Bloomberg Intelligence. She joins us live here in our Bloomberg Interactive Broker Studio. Erica, volatility everywhere, including the mortgage market, right?
Yes, lots of volatility in both.
Hey, I got to trade in the airport. Like,
especially in mortgage-backed securities.
I had to trade in the airport one day, bro. Like before, like way before my flight, my nigga. Oh God, I'm gonna do that one day too. And I'm gonna record it. I'm gonna be like, yeah, I remember when I said I wanted to trade in the
I'm
airport.
watching Microsoft Erica.
Be on a first
I
class
want to see how
Delta
this all
flight.
plays out at this point. They could just finish, because we don't know. We've got good moves. I don't want to give back them. When the VIX is this high, it's not even about taking like 100 trades. We catch a little cash flow, we'll be happy. And come back again
So when
tomorrow.
you have this kind of volatility in the
We
treasury
got
market
a
and
lot of good trades.
equity market, etc., and process of volatility, FX market too, what happens to volatility in mortgage-backed securities?
My CMOS in a cup, you feel me? Gotta stir the joint up. If you ever drink CMOS, you know that shit will get thick fast.
Because again, you know, the whole thing about mortgage-backed securities is the timing of your cash flows is uncertain. You know that you credit is probably fine, pending GSE securitization,
Yes, sir.
issues, but you just don't know when you're getting your cash flows. If people are going to return it to you right away through a refi.
Oh yeah, I'm happy I opened this book. Shit is a must. I'm done with it already.
So we don't know if we've
I just had started myself for real. I done it. What the fuck?
chomping at the bit to refi, and Alex is never going to move.
Never.
Yeah, exactly.
I think they're very likely going to keep it
Red headline
down
crossing the Bloomberg terminal. U.S. weighs farmer bailout as China retaliations threatens exports. More reporting on that.
Sunrab's voice is muffled on Discord. Can you fix that? Dan, I don't know if I can. I think that's just that you're hearing
You
it.
guys just gotta subscribe to Zoom, guys. Because when we're doing Discord, we are speaking on Zoom. Press feedback gets delivered through Discord from Zoom, and then you get it. So there will be feedback. If you want top quality, you gotta get on Zoom to get that package.
And you can see our charts too.
What? Say on God. I'm finna say on God. You can see that he fucking what's his name.
And sometimes I am mumbling, so it's not meant to be heard.
Hold on. Cause I've been new, right? But I just never decided to click on that
channel. Is 496 on SPY and 500.
Hold on, cuz.
$4 channel. It's like spring. A compression's like a compressed spring.
Recording in progress.
One side is gonna get smacked.
There's so much calmness in the bid side that they're holding. They could explode.
My nigga,
if they all get
swear to God.
Or the other side, they all get squeezed. But so far, they're bidding it up so much. So
Nigga
well,
got
like,
4
it's
on his
almost
shit.
carry.
No way. Nigga, our chart almost looked the same, bro. That is crazy. He got Microsoft.
So it's an Ari giving us tariffs in the Discord.
Inflation is high.
Oh, okay. Something.
News?
You saw that, right?
Or something.
Something just.
They're still bidding though. I mean, I don't really think like it matters. They're still bidding the same area. So we'll see.
Maybe that's just.
Maybe they flush VWAP and then take it again. We'll see.
Bro, why does
if
it,
they
bro,
do that,
this
I'll
shit
go
keep
long for
fucking
sure.
sliding over my nigga. Like, what the
Right
fuck?
now, I'm staying on the side.
That's another Wiccan reclaim of 5,000.
They're bidding here. They're interested in this option. Bulls are interested.
Yeah.
My nigga Brett is sitting on a
Look
2
at every
minute,
name
bro.
out there. Tesla sold in. Microsoft, Apple higher day. Microsoft looks like it wants to go. Yesterday I
How do
was
you turn
asking
these niggas
Microsoft
down?
around 370, something like that.
Amazon canceled some orders from China.
Yeah, all the dropship guys are probably gonna get like fucked in this whole
Trust me, I
tariff
do
thing.
not trying to be looking at no weird shit on
Anyone
that.
that's
But I
got a
be trying to
minimum,
find niggas like him. Oh God.
everything's fire.
Yeah, they can reclaim and
Next
find.
time they take 501 or something,
Damn, Amazon canceled some. Damn.
They'll make it happen.
Did he say Amazon or Apple? That's
Let's see,
crazy.
maybe this can be. I wonder how the contracts are holding. Are they holding or are they decaying?
They're decaying everything, right?
Like almost 1 hour of stuff, dude.
They're decaying everything.
I think upside. I'm still leaning upside. They just like keep.
You say SPY
They had the
500
chance the
is
past panic 3 candles ago, 4 candles ago when we were short.
42177.
Now I can see options that's coming in.
Hold on, my nigga. I gotta get saucy.
Fuck around and find out.
42105.
One contract is for shits into this.
42177. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, ski. SPY 500. I'm gonna put that.
We did just get some news. We're getting news right now. Market's reacting to it, but pretty much no reaction.
It must be bearish news because if it's bullish news, you would have actually read it.
Yeah, you would have closed above it. I kind of peeped that shit too. I still got these shits loaded. Trust me, I do. And they down. They declining right now.
It feels the same as yesterday.
They're hitting above the ask here, dude. Like it's gonna go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Be careful, guys. Short said.
It looks the same as yesterday. A big move, I think, is coming.
Yeah, look at that. Look at how they're doing it. Oh my god. See, at the very least, you guys are not on the wrong side of moon. I'm giving you guys the warning. Holy shit.
They can say don't be on the wrong side of that bomb when it blow up.
Let's see, they still have 30 minutes to go.
For real. Oh god. What my nigga Evan talking about? So he his ass fucking up 2 minutes late.
Yeah, crude oil.
The minutes count, my nigga. Them 2 candles that ain't closed. For real.
The problem is we can't even get in swings because of where VIX is at. Just like so high.
Look at SPY on a 2 minute. Look like it want to go back up. That's crazy. The 2 minute. I ain't gonna say I can't work the 2 minute, but
us back down here.
My nigga, I'm not working no 2 minute time frame.
I think we're stuck until.
I'm sorry, I gotta see a 5 minute. 2 minutes is too low.
I doubt it. I think they're gonna rip it.
No pun intended.
Looks like they are ripping it.
Yeah, looking like it's above you up now.
We're stuck between 504 and 496 by 2 p.m. Brett has to buy wrap sushi.
Dude, Brett owes me like 100,000 sushi so far. Like fuck sushi. I don't even like sushi. Like, give me some butter chicken or something. Like, fuck out of here.
When I go say some butter chicken.
Okay, when I go to New York, we should go to that 2 Michelin star restaurant, the Indian one.
Yeah. 502.
Goat chops. Goat chops.
Contract's actually moving well.
Nah, I gotta try goat chops, nigga. I love goat, nigga. Goat chop. What the hell?
I don't think, Brett, do you like sushi? I think Mike likes sushi. Do you like sushi?
I do. I like everything.
Goat chops. Oh, bro, I'm tweaking. Look at Apple, my nigga. Look at Apple.
No, there's
It's just like a little flag. Oh, real.
1 minute to go. Let's see.
Nah.
They painted that weakness, and then everyone reeled everyone in.
I'm a little
wild
right
bidding.
now. Make sure y'all can see this shit.
In a tight range, technical level. Perfect for longs. Nice setup.
Bro, every time I put Apple up here, I can write Apple down on a piece of paper, but can't never type it. That's crazy. I'm gonna do 180 calls. 180 calls. Damn, hold on.
What's that restaurant called? Rav?
It's called SEMA, SEMMA. It's South Indian. Last time I tried when I was there, I just tried to get there, just couldn't
I'm
get a
gonna see which one I
reservation.
can get filled on better.
Like booked for months and shit. I just need to find a connect there. When I used to live there, I used to know like, a lot of people, but everyone moved to like Florida.
Why is it? 502. Might break 502 here.
Come on, let's go, let's go. Go to 510.
510.
Yeah, I mean,
with these ranges, we could go to 520.
yeah, 510. I'm being conservative, man. Like, what the fuck?
So, hold on.
I am firmly saying I think we stay between 503 and 496. That's my guess.
503, 96. Okay. I am saying we are not going to stay in that range. We're going to break that range.
Okay, let's see. And you owe Rav Indian food. Fine.
There is no way we're just going to stay in this range the whole day. Like, dude, like, come on.
Until 2 p.m.
Okay,
right,
whatever. 2 p.m. That's fine. I'm okay. I'm in. Yeah, let's go.
Everyone heard the bet live.
I'm saying the range. Dude, there's no way it's going to be 2 p.m. like within this range. It's going to break in the next 10 minutes, dude.
Damn, wait, hold on. Wait, I ain't gonna lie. Hold on.
What
Look,
the
no, never mind. But I ain't gonna lie though. You feel like I wanna hold.
I have a reasoning.
Oh, it's going back up until
My reasoning
tomorrow.
is Wix. That's it.
You're gonna see.
CP for tomorrow and this shit.
Not trading and just like talking and not in any position.
Oh, and the fucking minutes. Oh, he's saying 2 p.m. Oh, that's right. Oh no, I forgot about this.
I know what they're going to
You need
do.
to wait till 2 p.m.
Listen to me, buddy. that's Brett. Listen to me. Nah, for real though. I mean, I can see why he said that.
Walmart is up 3%, 4%. Yeah.
Told a nigga, yeah, Walmart is a good company to invest in right now. Looking like they
You can see Nike was at $50 a few days ago.
Fuck around with that dumbass.
Yeah.
It's crazy. It's up 500 again. Let's see if this 499 holds the ESSPX.
I think these contracts too damn high for me to try to buy. I'm supposed to buy low, sell high. You feel me? The contract said 4.5. The lowest was around 2.99.
No, Dick one. I only took SPY longs before, and I took SPY shorts off 500. That's all I did today.
While back under fucking 500.
I've done 3 trades today. That's it.
Yeah.
Buy a couple of times.
I just took SPY the first trade, and then I took it again when we reclaimed 5,000 like 20 minutes ago.
Unless market gives me a reason, I probably won't take another trade.
Last day.
Be disciplined this week. Since last week.
I'm fucking.
We've been killing it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Just nailing. Every day has been like a 30-40% trade. But yesterday, Microsoft did 200-300% or something close to close. We're doing great. This is the best we can do.
Yeah.
While keeping downside protected.
Yeah, no sense in giving back gains.
Nah, fact. No sense of giving back in.
Already in the long-term side, so.
I do want to stay open to trade after 2 o'clock. So I am going to say that now. That don't mean I'm going to get back in the trade.
I want to see lower. If it happens, it happens. Otherwise,
if I, what is it called? If I get back in a trade, I possibly may, turn the camera back on. I'm very convinced. Let me see something right fast before I say that. Looking at this shit right here. Off the contracts. It's very convincing that SPY would like to go back up. But nah, it's too fucking early to say that. Let me tell you why. This fucking flag right here. That flag killed a lot of niggas. Yeah, that shit in between here. Shit smacked a lot of niggas. For real. But real niggas brought right here. You smell me? But anyway, low 481. They is scared to go under 481 is what it's looking like, right? My theory is it looked like it want to go back up, right? But we still got news today, tomorrow, and I think Friday, I believe. Hold on. Tomorrow CPI, yep. Jobless claims, yep. That's tomorrow. Treasury statement, 2 p.m. Then we got news for the rest of the week, right? Maybe it breaks below 481 and then motherfucking go crazy one more time. Like going back to the upside. But we shall see. For real, we shall see. Yeah, price is looking like it's raining till 4 p.m. I was 2 o'clock. My nigga Brett said it's gonna rain all the way till then. I ain't no dumbass. I'm looking at this nigga Brett's screen, looking at this shit, looking like you just short. You can fucking short this shit off right here, sell down here, fucking buy again right here. Like, yo. Pussy niggas not allowed. I do want to step away for right fast. Shit, I will come back. Oh shit, yeah. Can't get on my joint. You gotta tie your own shoes.
No, don't worry. The counter closes.
Price looking very interesting.
Still holding the pre-market structure. Honestly, my idea is like I want to actually see like upside. Maybe there is a liquidity grab. Let's see.
I'm not worried.
I know what a liquidity grab is. Bet you don't. Now let me stop. It's like I knew what it was back then. I didn't have a real conviction, understanding what it really was.
This is not good. They did build it up here.
I was just gonna say Apple looked like it want to go up,
after.
But not really.
But I'll still let it slide if that happens. I'll give you like $1 or $2 leeway. That's fine. And this volatility, dude, is just like intense.
No, they have to bounce it. If it breaks 495, I'll take the loss.
Yeah, there it is. So.
All right. All right. Okay.
No, I'll give you still some time. Like it's fine. Like I'll give you till 493 actually.
No. All
right, so let's add it to the list and
No, I think you have to wait for counter close because if this wicks back above 496.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
There's a minute left, Mike.
There's 2 minutes left.
Minute 20.
2 minutes. What are you watching?
I'm on the 2-minute chart.
Yeah, if this 2-minute channel wicks back above 496, then it's still a range.
Yeah. No, I agree.
Yeah, well, it's like I didn't.
Fair, that is true.
I didn't lose yet.
You have 2 minutes.
You don't want the stop loss scammers to come get you.
Oh man, there's no bids.
493 is like, yeah, they don't mess with that, that's it, it's done.
That's what the fuck you was talking about. They said stop loss camera. What?
You didn't believe in us. Good. Now we got a minute to go. Minute and 40. This is so much fun.
Oh, I want to short off this fucking level. I mean, long off this level, bro. Oh, I want to bad, bro.
Listening to Bloomberg Intelligence with Alex Steele and Paul Sweeney on Bloomberg Radio.
All right, happy Wednesday, Alex Steele here.
Let's see how the Microsoft contracts are holding.
No, I can't
Back
do
to
it.
my
It's like I can, but I can't,
the
bro.
stop loss that we had before. All right, it's perfect. $300. Okay.
1 minute, Brett. You still have a chance.
Guys, keep the Microsoft contracts ready. 370 calls. Might do a small, more small entry and have a tight stop. We don't have to take it if you're already green, but I kind of like it better.
I'm going now, shit.
Well, Alex, one thing I appreciate your question. You know the answer to that one, and most of our viewers do, and that's speaking in the Bloomberg farm.
I had to go get a popsicle. I got down hot when hot in here.
Clearly, farmers just want to be able to sell at a decent price so they can make a profit. They hate subsidies.
For real.
They have to depend on it.
Good to hell. Hot as hell.
Anything other than some kind of bailout or things that I
Like 15 seconds for that.
I don't think it's wicking.
Not yet. 10 seconds.
I ain't need to do that shit.
I think I'm cooked.
Stop. No.
All right.
Right. Thanks for playing.
So let's see. Watch it reclaim. I think it's going to reclaim.
I think it will. Because I'm not along on Microsoft soon. If I see what I see here, I will and have a $2 stock. Just a little riskier, guys, so definitely size smaller. I'm just
If that shit go up, bro, it's a fucking pass. What?
It crammered me.
The 8 EMA. That shit go past. That shit go back to the 4.6. 4.96.
Double for nothing. Double
All
for
that
nothing.
shit. 4.97. But no talking.
Yeah, I'll bet it stays between 494 and 502.
Dude, like, yeah, it was just like almost impossible. Maybe if volatility was a little over, fine, but
I still think, to be honest with you, I probably just gave it a little bit too tight.
yeah.
I do think we stay ranged.
Oh, for sure. Like, I completely agree. It's just the range will be wide.
A little bit of a wider range, maybe like 493 or something.
All right, guys. Everyone message Brett for your butter chicken gift card. $20 times 4,000 people.
Buttered chicken. What, bro? Am I not black, my nigga, or something? Like, what the fuck is buttered chicken? Buttered chicken, my nigga? Buttered chicken? I know you got butter biscuits and like shit like that. Butter chicken, I ain't never like no nigga ain't never said no butter chicken to me. I ain't never heard no shit. no butter chicken. I'm pretty sure it's like fried chicken that just got butter on it, right? What the fuck is butter chicken?
Full-time job.
If butter chicken is fried chicken with what's the name?
493
with butter. Then yeah, I know what butter chicken is, but never really heard that shit.
That's the opening print, 493.
I could call a nigga right now. He'd be like, "What the fuck is a butter chicken?" I swear to God. Well, that is a new flavor. That what a nigga gonna tell me. Real niggas in the party, pussy niggas not allowed.
Amazon 170, Devgen 170. That's your level.
Look at that bread, bitch. I'm worried about these dividends. I done, if your friends, I done seen that, but I don't know. I done see that money buy a break, but not a loyal. I done see that road in my life. I done getting flipped. I was 13, trying to flip 5-6. You got flip on Microsoft. Ain't gonna lie, I gotta pull Microsoft.
320 average.
320. That's gonna be my average.
I'm just gonna have 357-ish area as my stop. on this.
One
Very tight.
second. I'm blind. Like, what the fuck am I?
Let's see how this plays out.
Let me see what we got. What we got cooking here. Before I really jumped in here. I should like it. But I'm really, God damn. I'm really understanding how like catching this shit when it's right here. You feel me? So
Sitting at 416.
you gotta try. But prices like
Yes, under 5,000. Oh shit. 5,000. Big level.
Look at SPY, my nigga.
193 is the big one that I have.
That's the print. That's the opening print today.
Calls are going up as they're going down. Microsoft is green.
Yeah, I didn't get in.
Dropping 50 cents.
I didn't get in.
It's a sign.
Good sign.
But price may go back up. Yeah, price may go back up.
We may have a little conservative stop at 356 tech because contract is still green, 50 cent drop.
Oh, this shit gotta close.
I don't want to give it out. So let's see. Still size small. And let's see if it plays out. If it goes back to highs, this will be a very good return for us.
Put.
And it'll happen quickly.
What is it? SPY?
That's some IV pump.
SPY. Put 490. Do 480. 488. 300. Fuck. Well, I'm gonna try to get in if it go back up.
If SPY can reclaim that 596 level, that's a long trigger.
493 is my long area. If I'm gonna long, this is where I would long on SPY. That's why I'm long Microsoft because manage the risk a little better. So give me another 10%, 12%, I'll be out.
Do investors like the M&A that we've seen?
These are two big-time blue-chip companies.
The window between the peak and
No, I just filled up the whole watch list.
Bloomberg Intelligence with Alex Steele and Paul Sweeney on Bloomberg Radio.
All right, happy Wednesday, everybody. Alex Steele here alongside Paul Sweeney. This is Bloomberg Intelligence Radio. We go fast and furious moving market for you. We get a great lineup of guests as well. Ira Duzzi, Bloomberg Intelligence, will be joining us about liquidity in the bond market. Is it normal to see a 55 basis point increase in 3 days of the 30-year? I mean, maybe not. We'll see how liquidity.
Apple. Nah, for real, Apple though. What the hell going with Apple? Apple looked like the one to get in. This looked like some type of pinball or some shit. I still got Apple loaded. They want 315 lows. Apple look like the one to get in. I can't rap. I'm just gonna wait for the candle to close. We got 2 more minutes left.
66 points for the Dow, a decline now of 0.7%, and West Texas Intermediate crude
Change
oil
this shit back to
is
the
slumping
video.
today. WTI below
My nigga just put on this one like that.
56.25.
Yo, I need to mark some more levels out, my nigga.
Now by 5.6%.
This shit is spaced out.
4.37% with the 2-year, 3.75%, and gold 3,067 on the precious metal. Gold surging 2.8%. Bitcoin down 0.1%, 76,975.
Oh, like it's kind of recovering.
As for markets and tariffs, Christina Hooper is chief
I'm gonna be able
market
to do
strategist
this.
at
Thank you.
Invesco, and she was a guest
No, I am.
on
Really, I can, boy.
Base case is that if we see tariffs remain at these relatively high levels,
Yeah, it's true. It take money to make
more
money.
than 50% probability of going
I wish
into a
I had a
recession
lot
this
more.
year. Doesn't mean that it's going to be a deep recession,
Looking at
but
this
I
shit.
think certainly the odds are in favor of recession if we
Guess
see
what?
tariffs remain at
That shit
relatively
still
high
gonna help.
levels.
That shit gonna
If
start.
we see a
What you
de-escalation,
talking
we
about?
could easily see
That's crazy. I know listening and hearing this shit now is like, I'm listening to this shit now. You like I'm listening to this shit
That's good. Let's see.
15, 20 days ago, 30 days ago. It's real history.
You guys can't hear my keyboard, can you?
No. Oh. Maybe the people can, but Zoom can.
All right, Charlie Powell, thank you so much. We appreciate that. Alex Steele, Paul Sweeney. We are live.
Like, which one do I want to take, bro? Spy going down, or fucking Apple going up. I got Apple loaded 315.
This is gonna be big for you if that PS can reclaim here.
31.
5,000 is huge.
It's 30.
Trader, I just got like I don't know what it's called. It's called Royal Cludge. I don't know. It wasn't expensive. It was like $100.
Will be coming soon, and it is coming soon. This is the latest signal that he really plans to press ahead.
Trying to smack a rules. I could lie. Yo, can this shit close? Yo, this need to be the fastest 10 seconds ever.
I used to have like
5, 4,
the Mac
3.
keyboard.
I'm gonna get in.
But I had this like very rare Mac keyboard that was really expensive, but it's like it's not good to be honest.
Price already done went up. Motherfucking, what's the name? My stop is gonna be probably at that level. Probably like a little scalp right here. That's crazy.
Yes, reclaimed 5,000. That's huge.
The world's largest retailer basically is confident that it can navigate economic uncertainty. So Walmart said that it's seeing net sales growing 3 to 4% this year. So the forecast.
And now we're back to SPY VWAP 496.70.
In February. And Walmart is really seen as the barometer.
That 493 was a good long round. Did you take that?
It's really due to its sheer size and exposure.
I should above VWAP too. I'm looking at all this shit.
They said they plan to absorb potential price hikes, and they plan to keep their.
Oh, I got a hold. For real.
It's muted.
In the near term, but still, Walmart has actually performed historically better during economic downturns.
Okay, they can deal with the mom and pop shop owner. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Boy, they vote too. So again, the politics is lost on me. What else you got?
Ford. So Ford is edging lower, and now actually it's down by around 1%. We're seeing a lot more pressure there. We have Bernstein downgrading the stock to underperform from market performance.
I know who that is talking.
$7. Bernstein said that there's significant downside for the stock that's not priced in by the market. I really feel like these automakers are just getting hit day by day. So the analyst Daniel Rosetta
2%, 3%.
Consumer sentiment wanes. So
I just need a little 10. I may get out like it probably like cause this shit consolidating 5%.
We're back in the same range. Maybe they just liquidity grabbed my range.
That's possible.
I think that's what's happening, honestly. I think we're just really just back to the same exact range previously. Think about all the bears that just went short, right? Under that 490, that 496, under that 5,000 ES.
Yeah. Reclaim 500 on SPY, it gets hairy.
I did get in based off how this kind of closed above this shit and how this did that. I swear. I ain't get in. I felt stupid. I just get away and just holding and shit. That's it. So I can step away one more time.
Damn, that SPY 393 was crazy.
Yeah, did you take it?
Ah, yeah.
Nice.
I'm still holding Microsoft, guys.
My nigga Melo said both his jerseys need to be retired.
Went off to focus a little bit. Let's see how this moves down. We need to take out 360. I literally said 393. 493 is a long area here, so obviously I'm going to take that.
Talk to me.
We gave them a lot yesterday. We gave them a lot of ideas today.
6%.
That's the level.
Talk to me.
Yeah. That was the exact level, 493.
Yeah.
Talk to me.
How are your Microsoft contracts moving?
Yeah,
Take
that's
a
right.
trade.
Yeah, so we need to break 5
I
for
gotta
high.
take a
Because
trade on
560
that.
can 360 can
I
break
need
that
that
as
tip,
well.
bro.
But
That's my bro. I ain't gonna lie.
sorry,
Seeing
$40
eight,
not
that
bad.
two
I mean,
fucking tick difference, yo. That two tick difference, yo.
9%.
Yeah.
Buy more better though.
Can it just please go back
I
up?
think they're running
Please
a
go back
cycle
up.
now.
Please go back up.
I wouldn't be surprised
One
if they
good
go
more
and
time.
take
One
500
good more
after
time.
this.
Please, just
What
bro,
is my
just
target?
clear
460
that high
breaks,
out.
460, sorry, 360 breaks, 362. 362 is the
Clear that
breakout
high out.
levels in the watch list. So if market starts trending, we
Please
can
clear that high out.
maybe
I know
you'll
you
see
will.
370 and stuff like that.
$2 for $1. $2 for $1. Come
Risk is
on,
pretty
market.
tight. So even if it goes
40, I
back
need
and
$2
tests
for
stop
$1,
loss,
my
you'll
nigga.
probably lose
You
like
rock that, my nigga. Go
25%.
ahead. Go ahead. Bet you
So
up. Bet you
if you
up.
guys can
Bet
take
you up.
trims, you can. Want to sell and take the
Let's
green
do
day,
it.
you
Come here.
can.
7. Fuck.
Or just hold
8%.
the
8%.
stop loss.
Come on. I need
357 is
cent
the stop
moves,
if
my
you guys
nigga.
want to know on
They
Microsoft.
playing, yo. They
Still needs to
playing,
take
yo.
that 360 though.
Look at
Still
this
not out
shit.
of the woods yet. But I think if Spike can take out 498,
Look at this shit.
that tech cycles will start moving
8%.
again. We just got in when contracts were a little cheaper, anticipating the move. Honestly, should have just got Spike.
Come on. I ain't gonna get out just yet. Cause as soon as I get out, this shit wanna go fucking crazy. Come on, push up, push up,
See
push
what they
up.
do this candle.
Okay, I took trims. I wanna say that was it said
170
8%.
bounced on Amazon.
But
ES fully above, SPY fully above.
I was looking at the chart. It said 8%, but I was looking at the chart, thinking I was gonna look back over it, and it shit said like 10. But I took profit, so I'll be right back. Yeah. I cannot cap. I came back. I just seen head and shoulders after 5 minutes. Shoulder, head. Some movement possibly coming up. Nah, that's Apple. It's like, bro, this shit look like it's gonna break under. I cannot count. Just looking at the structure of that. It look like it's gonna break
My
under.
main level in IWM was 170, really 170. That's the big area. That's the
So even tell me,
massive level.
y'all ain't gonna sit here through consolidation, but when they got a good price movement,
Also,
y'all done the two
IWM
fucking
and
trades.
Russell. I don't know if you saw this, but the Russell is sitting at the 2018
Well,
high.
they were talking texting. Russell did limit down, dude.
It did, really.
It did, yeah. So it's like that was not like a fake news. It was. It did limit down. That's crazy.
How the fuck that nigga moving his name so fast?
And the small business impact to China, like it's just going to be crazy.
What the? How the niggas watch your time frame so fast?
Even during the height of the trade war, like 2018, 2019, we never saw tariffs over 25%.
What?
This is just like
Russell's down 30% from highs.
Yeah.
The Russell?
Yeah.
But look, it's at 2018 high, 2020 high. It's the
no, it's a good long-term buy for sure.
This is the long-term buy. Like if you're gonna buy anywhere, it's got to be somewhere here.
Definitely.
That's a nice move on SPY, Rev.
Microsoft up 16%.
I'm gonna have enough money to where I can invest.
Right now, you can take.
So I can just keep getting rich.
If you have not, I just sold some
For real.
myself. And then I'll have 3.
Bro, I'm like Apple, a re-entry on Apple. If I can get like a red candle, so I can buy a little.
SPY, I wish I signaled.
Yes,
SPY
Lord.
just-
Even on the contract. Look at the contract on the right. Even right here, bro. That shit look like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't even call it, man. I'm like,
Head and
my
shoulder.
jaw fucking hurts.
Yeah, let's call it a nice day. We had three trades today that were all green, and a few different trade ideas as well. So awesome day, and let's kill it tomorrow.
All right, see you guys tomorrow.
Yeah, happy trading.
What am I? I'm 3 trades in. really trying to see a strategy for maybe I gotta take another trade. Or I just wait till 2 o'clock. You know what? I'm gonna wait till 2 o'clock. No cap. That's all I'm gonna cut this video. Well, I'm gonna end it. And then I'm gonna start up another video. So yeah, get up on top, boy.